So starting the test drive in this G63, this is, you know, I always wonder why people like these so much, but after driving one, I see why they're bringing like $250,000. It's just a phenomenal machine. I'm sure Mercedes is making their money on these, but for the price tag, if you want something that's super nice, super capable, and just it's just a looker, man, this is the way to go. You see one of these and you're like, okay, I know that's a millionaire. You could be on your last dime driving one of these, but people just equate these to being just top 1%. And the driving experience really does kind of convey that as well. It does something that, you know, it puts a smile on your face. It's off-road capable. It's fast, it's loud, it's fun. But I mean, also if you're in the, I've never been to Aspen, Colorado, but if you're up there, I'm sure this could take down whatever trail you're trying to go on or whatever, to go out there and get that perfect view of the valley. I don't know, but the capability of these is top tier. And this Akrapovic exhaust is just, it's something else. I love the sound here. It's, I mean, the stock exhaust is great as well, but this just takes it to another level. Very impressive. I'm gonna try to give myself enough space to give it a quick pull here. Probably won't be anything crazy, but see what we can do. Here we go. So, I mean, great pull there, absolutely great power. But I want to give one more thanks to Auto Collections of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this G63 today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. Now, I've hit some abnormally terrible traffic, so I'm going to try to get off at this next exit. Hopefully I can make it there. That's where I was getting off anyway. But I mean, the ride quality is relatively good. The sound acoustics aren't bad. I'm only doing about 40 and a 70, so not really the best gauge there, but I think it's pretty nice considering how capable it is, and just the overall shape dimensions of it. You wouldn't expect it to ride this well, but it is still a Mercedes Benz. So Mercedes, for $250,000 new in that ballpark, they make sure that these things are still luxurious and still comfortable. They don't just look good. So again, even with these bigger wheels and this off-road platform, it's still rides well, drives well, and is pretty comfortable. Now, one thing I can say is this exhaust, I absolutely adore it, because it just, especially in the Sport Plus mode, you get that nice rumble, and I just laugh the entire time I'm driving this thing. It's so cool. It's so much fun. And honestly, the 9-speed here, it's such a great transmission for Mercedes, because it gives you a lot of shift points. You're able to maximize that highway efficiency to the, you know, best of your ability, but also where you're able to get these high-powered AMG motors pretty hot in terms of just the pull and the turbos and everything. It's relatively reliable considering how much these go through. Now I'm gonna dial this back into eco mode. As much fun as it is to drive in the Sport Plus, most people probably won't be doing all that, so we're gonna put it into comfort. So just coming out of this stop here, the auto stop came on and it lasted almost to the second when the light turned green. So, you know, it's nice to have that for the fuel consumption, because this is it's a thirsty SUV. Again, you have 577 horsepower to this bi-turbo V8. Any help you can get on fuel economy, I'm sure, you know, it's not going to hurt anything. Probably you'll get more hours out of the engine itself, because it won't be, you know, moving as long. But it cuts on. It's also a nice rumble that you kind of hear it with this G63, especially with this exhaust. So I like having that there. But overall, for the money, I think at $140, it's a solid deal to be under 33,000 miles with this newer body style G-Wagon. You have the exhaust, which is phenomenal. Love the spec here with this matte black and the red leather interior. You know, you just feel like $1 million driving one of these things. Now, I never understood why people had such a love for the G-Wagons until the redesign came out for these. And by redesign, I mean it's still like a boxy SUV. They just redid the front fascias. But ever since that, I guess it was 2019, 2020 body style G-Wagon came out, I've really grown to love these, especially with these tasteful packages, these tasteful mods. Just this one in particular, I think if I were to get one, this is how I'd want it to be done. Love the exhaust, tasteful. The interior choice I like, the matte paint, I love that. And it'd just be nice to get one of these for this, you know, almost half of what it would be new, and still have tons of life left in this, and then it still look like a new G-Wagon. But I mean, not the most practical SUV. It has its practical tendencies if you want something like this, that's this off-road capable, this neat. But other than that, I mean, this is just one of those things you get because you got money to blow, and you won't be disappointed if you get this thing. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2020 Benz AMG G63.